everyone, my name is Keaton Bukola. I'm an actor, a film producer, and I'm here for The Wives, the movie.
I really am so happy to have witnessed this premiere, the Wives.
Of course, I have high expectations, and I brought friends with me too, and we're here to have fun.
Trust me, something to go home with, honestly. Have you seen Harrison?
I'm an actor and I play Caleb on The Wives.
And honestly, I can't wait to see the rest of the episodes.
When you're feeling low, just remember God is in control. When you're feeling down below, just remember God.
Hi, my name is Divine. We're here for the premiere of The Wives. I'm here for the director especially, he's my person. And I know that the concept of the movie is about love and faith, and that despite the fact that you go through challenges, one thing is certain: if you hold on, you will push through.
So far, it has been amazing. It has been just been hilarious. And I can't wait to go through all parts of the movie. But I want to actually appreciate the cast and crew of this beautiful movie, The Wives. Well, we are watching, and I trust it's going to be an amazing and captivating film.
Pastor Jude is basically the man of the cloth. He owns a big church, thriving ministry, happily married, and he's more of a counselor for the characters in the show. Very intriguing character.
The cast is tight, is amazing, and I am glad to watch it. It also has the comic side of it from the little glimpse I've seen, and it's very interesting. I must say, it's a must watch. All women, it's just a movie for the family, so go out there and watch it.
Caleb is a good guy, right? Caleb is Eniton's boyfriend. Eniton is played by the amazing Tomi Ojo, and Caleb is he's many things. He's a good boyfriend. He's a strict boyfriend sometimes, right? And he's really just looking out for the interests of his relationship with Eniton, and and Eniton's relationship with Moni, Matthew, and the other people in the story. Really,
I played Dima on The Wives. Dima is a loyal, supportive, dutiful wife who has to deal with her very overbearing husband. I think people will understand what the dynamics looks like and what the projection looks like.
What stood out for me is each actor's character and how they immerse themselves in the character. You could almost not believe that they are acting, and in summary, what we've seen in the series one is we found that there are two couples going through different experiences, and peculiarly there is a particular character, Harrison, who is looking up to Matthew and Moni's marriage and wishing his marriage is not perfect, not knowing they have their own hurdles they're having to cross.
I don't expect anything less. The director is a very good one. Cast, perfect. Storyline, according to what I read and saw, perfect. So trust me, you're not gonna regret this.
The movie, The Wife, I just finished watching it. The movie is really interesting. It's mind-blowing. And for me my best actor there is Mr. Harrison. I really love the way the man carries his wife, follows his wife everywhere. It's like a comedy, the comedian there.
I absolutely loved it. Oriwe is just a brilliant director. And Harrison, the character Harrison is just so amazing. He was so well casted. He was just, you love him and you hate him. And I'm currently running home to go and watch episode 2 because that was fantastic. Well done, Oriwe.
I really enjoyed the movie, and it really resonates because some of the characters I could see, I'd had an experience before, and I'm like, wow, so it's really apt the way it's talking about different situations, and it's good for people to see that and be able to realize, whatever you're going through, I think it just speaks to people's situation and is really real. So I'm really proud of the team. I'm proud of the movie, The Wives, and I think everyone really needs to watch this movie series. It's really well done. And I'm saying thank you, and it's a good job, well done to all the cast and the director, really well done.
The acting, the cinematography, everything was on point. Everyone was intentional about it. And I would say it also triggered a lot in me because the men in in the series, they were moving mad. But I'm excited to see the rest of the episodes. Sharon Rotimi did a good job. Everybody did a fantastic job. So kudos to the cast and crew.
My expectations for the movie is it's going to be interesting, well produced, colorful. I mean, it's produced by the Elevation Church, so I'm expecting something very, very interesting.
I honestly love the movie. I love the visuals, and I love the story. I think my favorite character will be Harrison. Yeah.
I think everybody loves Harrison. He's such an epic character. But for me, in the less than an hour, the thing that I've learned is you have to be very careful who you choose to marry, because I cannot realize how someone like Dima will pick to marry someone like Harrison. So that's such a great lesson for me.
And for me, I would say, why is Harrison denying Dima from selling Zobo, please? Let her sell her Zobo in peace.
What's all this committee? You understand? And many of you might know her under the unfortunate title of Dima, the Zobo lady.
I like selling Zobo.
Then make it for your home now. Not for strangers who will not respect you as my wife.
Matthew, what's happening between us? Sometimes you act like you don't want to be married.
If I didn't want to be married, I wouldn't be here, honey.
I'm saying the woman is not a good boss. And it hurts me to see how she treats you.
Everyone, say hello to your new leader.
You're not even started the work. Already, you're planning to stab your husband to death.
I want to say that the cast and crew were wonderful. So I don't just want to talk about the cast because, like you get to see them, right? You get to see them shine in their bits, right? But the crew as well, from the director to the producers, Josh, goodness, I love you. Right, every member of the crew brought their A game, and the set was awesome to be on. Like, it felt like a safe space to create, to perform, and I think you'd see it when you watch this because this was made with love, and I think it's shown through.
Oh, it was beautiful. It was wholesome. Everybody was kind, ready to help, ready to assist. They were very welcoming, and I am so grateful that was my first, contact with the industry. And it basically set a standard for me.
So the ambience is great. People are here. I didn't expect this much crowd, but I'm so happy that a lot of people turned up, just like I did, to support, because supporting people is one thing that helps you grow in life.
I learned a lot. I think it's important to know yourself before getting into marriage. I think it's important to really ask questions and really know what you want from your partner, and have an understanding of the expectations you have of each other before you get into marriage. And just think wisely, know your partner. And also that it's the two individuals in a marriage that make up a marriage and determines how the marriage would be. Marriage in itself is not bad, but if you marry a bad person, your marriage will be bad.
I've seen here, and I'm really looking forward to really learning life situations. Like I see Amoni, what she's going through, trying to get, being pregnant and going through all that experience, and then also thinking that maybe the husband is cheating, and they're now realizing that, it was actually just doing something, planning a secret. But then, we could see that, sometimes it's not good to quickly, jump into conclusion. You just have to give it some time, maybe as a Christian, you just pray about it and don't quickly react immediately, just let God guide, let the Holy Spirit guide you. So those are the situations I see that is actually talking to people's situation, and you can learn a lot from that.
It was a blast. It was a blast working with Sharon, working with Timmy, Timmy OJ, working with Patrick, with Tokwe Tedela, Tommy, Tessie Brown, to mention a few, and Theodora as well. I mean, these guys are amazing. Some I met on the set for the first time, some I've worked with over time, but it just felt like a reunion of sorts.
Have you seen Harrison? Like, Matthew Alpha now. Have you seen Harrison? And have you seen Anita? But I think my best character was Moni. The empathy, the emotions, the feelings, everything she has to go through, thinking that her husband was actually cheating on her, and then finding out that he wasn't actually cheating. But then Dima, and that's my namesake, she was also sweet, trying to strive as a woman and as a lady out there. We all need somebody to support us, your husband or a family member.
I love how the character, the actress who plays Money, emotes so well. I love how I can see all her emotions on her face. And I love Anytone, Gen Z baddie. Like, she can't give you her phone. She knows her rights. So I love the Gen Z in her. So those are the two characters that I really love. And of course, Harrison. He's perfectly casted.
I really love the whole storyline. I thought the husband was really, really cheating on her. I never knew they were actually planning a surprise wedding anniversary. So it's a good one for me. I love the movie.
It's a must-see, especially for intending couples, people who their marriages are going through some rough edges, and even people who have perfect homes, so you can avoid wrong things not to do to your spouse.
So I appeared in the scene of the movie, just one scene. I do not know if it's even going to be featured, but yeah, I was a nurse in the movie, and it was quite spontaneous. I was on duty while they came to shoot it, and then it just like, okay, would you like to be in it? And I'm like, okay, why not? And well, there we go.
They've all done very well. So far, so good. So I'm just rooting for all of them. This is me out here saying, well done. You guys did a brilliant job. I'm so proud of you. And you know the best part is, this is a movie for Christians. This is a movie for Jesus girls and Jesus boys, Jesus lovers entirely. So yes, that's the movement.
I'll never let you go.
Anytime. Come. Get all of this out of here now. Madam, I'm losing a lot of pain.
How aren't you? How is this normal? How is any of this normal? All these people are insane and terrible to each other.
Shout out to my designer, ZCD. Thank you for putting this together. What inspired it? So I have like a list of designs that I just sent to him, and then he pulled this off.
I mean, the theme is African theme, so I wanted to wear something African, comfortable, whimsical, something that shows my shoulders, because I think that's a selling point of mine. Yeah.
I like it simple. My outfit, I like it simple, classy. So right now I'm on Givenchy shirts and Puma sneakers and denim skirts. Okay, brandless bag, and okay, that's it.
I'm a fashion-forward, Afrocentric enthusiast. So when they said we should come for the movie premiere, I just had to look gorgeous, like I would always do.
I'm African, and I'm very proud to showcase African attire.
Given that I was coming back to church, I was like, why not just wear my Thanksgiving outfit? And I look good in it, so why not?